What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reply a specific message in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat conversation that contains the message you want to reply to. Next, after that, locate the message you want to respond to. Hover your mouse over the message. Then click the reply option. Depending on your version of Teams, you may need to click the three dots and select Reply. Once the reply box appears, type your response. After typing your message, click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. After that, your reply will now be attached to that specific message, making it easier to keep conversations organized and helping everyone to follow the discussion. And that's it. That's how you reply to a specific message in Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.